Why?
What's up, guys, and welcome one more time here to Beat Your Brothers Crypto, place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day. I'm Crypto B, and I'm here with my brother, Papa Beat Your Brother, and we bring to you all the news and things that are happening around the space. Where do we go from here? Red or green? Well, this week we've seen very nice pump, especially after Elon Musk acquired the acquisition of Twitter by Elon Musk, which was very, very nice because for me, this was actually the catalyst for this rally in a lot of coins, especially Doge coins doing more than 150%, which was absolutely crazy. But before we start here, of course, if it's your first time here, myself and Papa, we are not financial advisors. We're just two guys who love crypto and come here to share with you everything that we like and we are watching and following on the crypto space. Before we start, before any further ado, let's go. So this time, welcome guys, everybody. And at this time, let me put, I think I'm gonna put a music for you guys here on the background. So, quiet music there, so you guys can hear us as well. So guys, listen up. I think I have some rock music there. Let me tell you guys, I was thinking, in this bear market, all right? Things are because it's very volatile. You don't know if it go green, if it go red, okay? And I was thinking ways that you or I or we should be thinking in making passive income. And how do we do that? Well, now, especially now, with the POS Ethereum, right? Let me share my screen here with you guys. We proof of stake now. That means you can stake Ethereum, right? How to earn passive income or passive crypto income with Ethereum. Passive income opportunities allow ETH investors and traders to offset loss during periods of market volatility. As you know, we are in a very volatile market at the moment. If you look here, guys, look at this. This is Ethereum. Okay, this is a 1 minute candle. But we can see here, like, it's dropping 1-2% at very, very fast. Look, in 40 minutes, it drops 2%, and again go up another again 1%. Look the way it's going up here, and look the way it went down. So markets now are very volatile. Let me bring down the music just a little bit there. So the cryptocurrency market is incredibly volatile, which can be both good and bad for investors and traders. Why? Volatility creates opportunities for making profits, okay? But it can also lead to big losses. Passive income strategies, however, could be handy in offset these losses. So, passive income strategies offer investors and traders opportunities to earn profit even during challenging market conditions such as bear markets for those investing in ETH or any crypto in general. Earning passive crypto income provides a way to cover market crash downturn. So let me open here again. That's when me and Papa say all the time to you guys, finding project that will be here on the long term, because it doesn't matter if you DCA in, it doesn't matter the price of now, if you DCA in the project. And if it's project that you can stake and earn a reward on top of the project, it's wonderful, because if you are here for the long term, if you're skinning the game and you are here for the long term, that's what you would like to do. You stake. Like me, just as an example, me and Papa, we have invested in a token about a year ago, a little bit more than a year ago. By the time that we got the token after the IDO, ICO, and we could sell the token. It was not worth anymore because we were in a bear market. But the project was a great project. So the project opened stakes, right? So yesterday I went to check the project and was already over 1,000 token more than if I didn't have it staked, right? I am in another project that I started with 10,000 coins. But because I'm waiting, I'm staking there, I'm holding, I'm already got an extra 15,000 token. So that's the way you need to think in order for if you are here just to flip money, maybe that's not gonna work for you. But if you're here for the long term, maybe an extra 0.2 that you earn, a 0.5, a 0.3, a 0. Whatever, or one token, one ETH extra, that on the long run, it might be very, very good for you. Saying that, if you look here, there is this site here called lido.fi or finance. Okay, if you go lido.fi or slash Ethereum, you're gonna end up here, liquid Ethereum stake. Lido lets you to stake your ETH to earn daily reward, staking any amounts and grow your balance with DeFi. So it's a DeFi protocol. Staked with Lido at the moment, it's 4,644,483 ETH. So it's about 7,319,000. No, sorry, it's 7,319,650,868 dollars. So the Lido APR is 5.5%, right? Reward paid is already 162,942 ETH. This is about $256 million. And this, I'm talking, and then you can come here, you can put here like 10 Ethereum, how much you're gonna get yearly, monthly. I mean, you can do a calculation here, okay? CryptoB, I have other, can I stake other coins on this project, okay? If you come here, it's lido.fi finance, right? You can stake ETH, so stake an amount of ETH and earn daily staking rewards. You can stake Solana, you can stake Polygon, you can stake Polkadot, you can stake Kusama. Those projects, okay, so Lido builds state-of-the-art liquid staking protocols to grow the staking economy. Stake means DeFi community. So basically, if you get in a project where you can stake and make more rewards for you, that's not only you're saving the risk of panic sell because it's going to be staked, and on top of that, you're going to be earning. And again, if you are here for the long term, this is, and of course, this is not the only project. There's many DeFi projects out there that you can stake your coins. What I'm bringing the idea to you is that you can find ways in order to multiply your gains if you are holding the token and waiting for the long term. So liquidity for stake assets, simplify and secure stake for digital assets with this protocol, lido.fi. In fact, I'm going to drop here. Sorry guys, my voice is a little bit, I'm a bit sick. I'm putting them on the drop on the message here, so you guys can have a look on the put user in. No, you can the message there anyway. So anybody can go in the message now, and you can check the website for yourself, read, understand, see how it's going on. Remember today everything is going back to red because we had a huge run the past week, and market start to go sideways. Let's see now if it's going to go down or going to keep going upwards. I still believe we are in bear markets. I don't think we are not even entering bull markets. Remember, I think it was 55,000 Bitcoins or Ethereum. Was a Bitcoin, I think. was sold. No, it was Bitcoins, 55,000 Bitcoins. Let me go back to the site just to confirm. I think 55,000 Bitcoins was sold. Yes, I record 55,000 Bitcoins, or over $1.1 billion was withdrawal from Binance. So the whales are moving around, guys. People are not buying, they are selling a little bit to take out the profit, because a lot of people still believe the Bitcoin will drop to the lowest low. Of course, you need to keep your eyes there. Remember that me, myself, and we are not financial advice. Before I pass over to Papa, remember, if it's your first time here, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, become part of the family here, and follow us in our socials there. You can find and follow me on Twitter, the crypto _B, the crypto B, and you can find our brothers crypto there on Twitter, and Papa Beach Brother, you can find us on Twitter. Okay, remember, smash and subscribe to the channel. It's very important that you do that in order for us to grow our community here on the YouTube. So you are with Papa.
Nice one, guys. Nice one. Nice to see you, everybody here. I hope you enjoy this bear market and the time we have here. So I'll bring you guys again what most TAs are thinking. Are we ready to pump, ready to go down? We're going to have another leg down. And the opinions are half and half, really. So that's why we are in a hard position right now. We keep saying we don't do financial advice, but we ask you to start DCAing. We say to you that what we are doing, we are starting to DCA already. But of course, the idea is to keep hold of some cash, some fiat, so you can take the opportunity if it goes lower. Yeah. Apart, there's $176 million to be liquidated at Bitcoin at 14,000. So if Bitcoins reach 14,000, we're going to have a liquidation of $176 million. So we could reach that. It's probable, but, not likely. I don't think so, according to most people. So the market cap still above $1 trillion. Again, hold strong there. You can see the Bitcoin dominance is going down. So it's not that strong. I think the altcoins are going through a very, very strong week. Look at this. Dogecoin at 128% on the weekly, Solana 12%, Shiba at 29%. Look at this. This is crazy, guys. How much it has gone up in the weekly. So Osmosis gone up nice and strong. It's from the Cosmos ecosystem there. The Osmosis, there's a nice staking platform on Osmosis as well. Check it out. Avalanche 16%, Cosmos at 18%. So you can see nice pump on the weekly for a lot of coins. Okay. And of course, also, like I said, there's the two sides of the coins here. You can see Aptos being down 14% this week after the nice, strong airdrop and mainnet release, right? Which was like last week. So, but it's quite steady around $8 anyways. Not that much difference. Okay, guys, according to max.eth, Bitcoin MACD on the 10 days about to print a buy signal. Historically, every time the 10-day MACD has crossed below the zero line, it has been the start of the bull run. The buy signal usually appears after 100 plus days of consolidation since Bitcoin bottom, right? RT and appreciate. So you can see here we had the 130 days here, we had the 105 days here, and we're now above 140 days, guys. Yeah, it's about to print a buying signal, and you can see here how low it is, and we are about to cross over you can see here the blue and the red line. We're about to cross over again. Every time the blue crossed, you can see the pump starts, and this was the bull run pretty much. Same thing happened here. Okay, and then the bull run started. So we are about to cross that. Also, another metric here from Titans of Crypto, Bitcoin 12, let's go. There is no more blind than the one who does not want to see. Monthly LMACD, low, I think is low MACD, histogram, repeating the same pattern. Guys, look at the patterns from before. we printed a light red signal here below the very strong one, and then we just went up. Same thing happened here, red, and now it's happening again. We printing like light red signals. Okay, so I believe we're gonna have a pump, although a few people are saying that we're gonna have but still gonna have another drop. According to this metric here, guys, Bitcoin monthly returns, okay? Since 2011, we have here monthly returns. We can see here, guys, that last year, November and December was red, okay? November and December was red. So if we follow that, we could have both months in the red. But according to the previous correction times, in 2014 was a correction year. We were down 56%. The previous 2018 was 73%. If we're gonna follow the previous one, we're still gonna have a few more things to go down, a few legs down. But again, guys, we can't take everything as the same, because the macroeconomy now it changed. We can see here, this is 2021 is last year after pandemic. Look how many red months we had in that year. It's crazy.
Exactly. After the pandemic, and this year we have the war, we have the economic crisis. There's a lot of things going on, so we need to be careful where we move up, exactly where we stand.
Yeah. Because but this is the thing. It's crazy because there are so much bullish stuff going on, guys. Like the America election is gonna be in November. The FOMC meeting is gonna be in November now, and apparently they're gonna try to decrease the interest rates because of the election. Apparently, America is settling down of the end of the war with Russia. And also, Elon Musk just bought Twitter, right? For the crypto universe, this is very, very bullish. Okay, so again, do your own research. Remember that, guys, and yeah, be safe right now. Okay, and remember, we have to keep watch what Bitcoin is gonna do. Like I said, there is a metric saying that there is $176 million or even more. I was gonna bring here this thread, but I can't find anymore. So yeah, basically there's a lot of money to be lost at 14,000, but I'm not sure if we're gonna reach 14,000 anyway. We'll see. So guys, I found this thread here and I really like Crypto Crush Mia. Okay, I'm gonna follow her. So it was a retweet from Mac the Wolf here. I like this guy a lot. He brings a lot of like DJing. I joined crypto in 2019 with $1,500, and after 1 year, I made my first $500,000. I didn't do it with Bitcoin or ETH. I did it with BNB, XVS, Shiba, Cake, Floki, and Bake. This is how you can do the same with the Binance ecosystem, guys. This is what me and Casca were doing last year, trying to find hidden gems. Okay. Unfortunately, Casca found one very good that we made a nice profits, but unfortunately, we entered a few rug pulls because it does happen. But I found this, and I think I'm gonna start research again because she talks about how she's done it. So I'm gonna retweet here on our @Brothers Crypto. Follow us there, and you can follow her thread. She explains everything how she's done about Binance, how amazing Binance is in terms of the new coins. You can. So one things that she's done that I found that was very interesting. You go to Dex Screener here, okay, guys. Dex Screener, the links are there on her thread, and you go here on the Binance ecosystem, okay. So here are all the coins that release on the Binance ecosystem. Why are we talking about Binance now? Because Binance are the cheapest transaction fees. So for you to actually do like small trades is worth it because you don't pay so much in trading. If we do an Ethereum network, the guys are so high that sometimes not worth you trade, unless you gain like a lot of percentage of profit. But what she said, she found, so she looked for coins here and you can see liquidity. Yeah. So you can put it there, liquidity. You can see less than $1 liquidity. So you wouldn't enter something like this, Web Doge, because there's no money to be made. So, you could buy, but then you couldn't sell it because there's no liquidity, right? So you put in the top liquidity and then you start to go down. Of course, these are Cake. These are very, very known coins. Tether, BNB, ETH, BTC. So, and then let's see here. We go to this coin here. Then the price is $46, quite expensive. So, let's see Babe Dogecoin, guys. Yeah. And then you see this thing, Babe Dogecoin, 21 million liquidity. I think this is the market cap. Fully diluted valuation. Let's see, fully diluted valuation of, where is it? CDFI is good as well, right? 152. CDFI is a very good coin. But for you to do small trades, this could be good. $188,000 volume, okay? 21 million liquidity and 317 full diluted mark. So what do? You click here, get the address from here. You can see here on the right-hand side. You copy, go to this, and then she puts everything here of how to do it, okay, guys? She done it, so much money with Floki, and that's how she's done it. She found, another thing that she did, she found Floki on the deck screener here. Then she went to Twitter and she put the dollar and Floki to find a community. Once she found the community and check how big the community is, organic and not just fake follower bots. I like to check the size of the community compared to how old it is. It's also easy to see how active the community is if you join their Telegram and Discord. So another thing to make sure you can know that the thing are legit. Honeypots, aka rug pulls, are very common. In fact, 97.7% of tokens launched on Uniswap are rugs, according to Arxiv. It's a website here, and this number is likely high on Binance as the deployment cost is much lower. Fortunately, there are ways to check the smart contracts of a token, ensure it's legit. Token Sniffer is my favorite tool. So guys, you go here, find a coin. Let's say I found this Baby Doge, okay? And then where we go? We go to Twitter and see what their community are. We can see here, guys. I like this one here on the extreme because they have red flags here. They have 58 pool. That's like shit coin, really. There's 60 red flags for this coin. But then you can copy the address here. Go to Token Sniffer. I put it here. I know this is a different one. So let's put it here on Token Sniffer. The address. We just call Baby Dogecoin. We put it there and it finds everything that's to know about the contract. Okay, so deployed the 21st of May 2021. So that means it's a very old contract. So it's less likely to be a rug pull because it's been so long on the market. Okay, normally a rug pull, guys, project is a project that's not so long on the market. Okay, so start by that. Okay, and then there's this melt test here. It's gonna come up soon, and then there's so much that they bring about the project. Okay, then you can know if it's rug pull. And then Papa, how do we buy these, guys? It's through the Pancake Swap or Pool Coin. Okay, so again, score 5 of 100. So not very. I wouldn't risk buying this right now. Okay, how well the token meets the criteria of safety. Automated scanners like this one are always complete accurate. So token sellable, not a honeypot at this time. Okay. So buy fees 10% and selling fees 10%. So you see very high fees to buy this. Okay, so that's what I'm saying, guys. You have to pay attention all of this. So, but it's sellable, so it's not a honeypot. That means you can buy and sell, but it's very, very high fees. Contract analysis, verified contract source. Source does not contain a max transaction amount. Source does not contain a fee modifier. Okay, so they actually could do it. Change the fees. Tokens burn 47.42, circulating supply, there's billions. Owner wallet contains less than 5%, which is good, 0.01%. So whoever owned the token, made the token, has 0.01%, so it cannot really like dump on you. Creator wallet less than 5% as well, 0.07% of the token holding. So this is quite good. Adequate current liquidity. There's quite a lot on Pancake Swap here. You can see on Pancake V2, 317,000 BUSD. 8,000 US dollars on Pancake Swap. Less than one DAI. Adequate initial liquidity. Yeah, so initial there wasn't so much, but then there's always this. So you can come and check the coin and see if you find any nice coins that could give you nice profits in the near future. Okay, guys, I think this strategy is incredible. You can follow us on Twitter and follow this girl. And yeah, maybe this week we do some, sell the duck, buy the duck on Casca.
Sell the duck, buy the duck. Sell the duck, buy the duck. Make $12, $3,000 or $4,000. That's the plan.
Yeah, that's the plan. We need that. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you very much, everybody, and see you all this week. We're going through a little bit of change of schedule because of the time difference now between Brazil and Europe.
Our time changed.
Yeah, our time changed.
We'll let you guys know.
Mess up a bit my schedule, so I have to reschedule everything and try to make sure we are here for you. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon. Bye-bye.